What is happening, everybody? Kelland, Chaffee here. I'm one of the co-founders of a company called Digital Freedom Movement. From the decals right there. Awesome. Now, welcome to the Turnt Tuesday Tech Talk. On this Tech Talk, I'm going to be talking a little bit about social media marketing, smartphones, and the reason why social media marketing and advertising has completely crushed the marketing world. All right. Now, you might be wondering, why is Facebook so popular for marketers? Why do you see so much advertising on Facebook? And it all comes down to the explosion of people using smartphones. In 2018, topped over 3 billion people worldwide that use these devices. And as you already know, these devices give us massive access to massive amounts of information. And it also makes it able so we're able to access our social media no matter what we're doing, no matter where we are. And so what this did is it caused a massive influx in people who use social media, whether it's Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, everything like that. In just actually first quarter here, 2019, Facebook hit its #1 largest amount of active monthly users, which was 2.38 billion people that use the platform every single month. That is a lot of people that are scrolling through their timelines. That is a lot of people are using the platform, and that is why myself and hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of other marketers out there are running advertising and paying Facebook thousands of dollars to push our advertisements on the platform to make sales. That's where everybody's looking. That's where we're addicted. First thing I used to do when like a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, is I wake up in the morning, I check my Facebook. Every time, what's new on my timeline? What's everybody up to? What's everybody doing? And it's become this addiction in society. Some of you guys might think, oh, well, social media is the devil, or some of you guys, maybe think something else. But at the end of the day, you can either change with changing times, or you can get left in the dust. And that's just the way that it is, right, guys? Awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys got value, please, if you guys are watching on YouTube, please click subscribe, follow us for more content. As well, if you got value, please drop a comment. If you guys are checking it out on Facebook, much love. I'm out.